When you open the OnPage app, you will automatically be taken to the Messages tab. First, let's send an OnPage message. To begin, you will select the Compose Message icon. To choose recipients, select the Contact Book, which will show you individual contacts and groups. On this page, you will see the status of each contact. Green means that they have OnPage toggled on, red means they have OnPage toggled off, and blue means that they are a contact that you have entered manually. I'm going to choose my recipients and select Done. From here, I can either compose a message from a template or compose a message with free text. I'm going to use the template Quarterly Fire Drill and allow the template to overwrite all fields. As you can see, it populates the message with all of the necessary information, and from here I can send the message. But before I do, I must select whether the message is high or low priority. Now that the message is sent, I can track it and all of the responses. So I'll go back to the message and select it to view the message audit trail, enabling me to see when the message was sent, delivered, and read. I can also add a note to my message that I can refer back to and edit as needed. Now, I will show you how receiving a message works. I'll be sending myself a message from the Enterprise Management Console, which is available to Silver and Gold package users. I sent myself a high priority message, which you can tell because of the high priority icon accompanying the closed envelope. Low priority messages will not have this icon. Additionally, high priority messages will override Do Not Disturb and alert you every minute for up to 8 hours until the message is read, where low priority messages are more customizable and will not override Do Not Disturb. Once I open the message, the envelope will show as open. It is important to note that you will only receive messages when your OnPage is toggled on, as shown above the messages. When OnPage is toggled off, you will not receive any messages. Additionally, the app will display when you are scheduled to be on call, and if you toggle off during that time period, you will get a warning icon letting you know that you are still scheduled to be on call at that time. Lastly, on the Messages tab, you will see your account at the top left corner. If you work at multiple organizations, you may have multiple accounts, so if you click on the drop-down arrow, you can switch between up to 3 accounts. Next, we will review the Schedules tab. I can view my on-call schedule here and look in advance, allowing me to plan for vacations that may require me to find coverage or schedule shift changes with other colleagues. I can also toggle to the Team Schedules view, which will allow me to see who else is on call and when. That's about it for schedules. Now we'll head over to settings. Most of these are self-explanatory, however, I will go over a few. Under predefined responses, you can create message responses that you commonly use, like I'm available or I'm not available, that you can click and use to immediately respond to messages. You can also change the notification tone for both high and low priority messages. The default setting is intrusive and loud, sure to wake you up. However, we understand that this might not work for everyone, so we have some other less intrusive options like these. Plus, you can change the volume level of notifications here too. That should be it for settings. Thanks for watching.